Today's video is about the best cases you can buy for the brand new iPad mini 6 2021, so make sure you stay tuned to the end because the cases are in no exact order, and if you want to check any of them or their pricing, they are all linked in the description. So let's start right away with the best affordable clear case, the IVSOTEK case. The updated design of the iPad mini 6 looks great, so it's no surprise if you want to show it off as much as possible. IVSOTEK offers a durable, protective, easy to install and to remove case. Being entirely transparent and clear in design, this is waterproof and ultra thin. Made of soft and flexible TPU, the IVSOTEK clear case only covers the back of the device. This clear TPU case helps provide corner protection while still showing off all your mini 6, along with detailed cutouts for all buttons, speakers and other necessary sections. Besides, the case comes with raised edges for extra protection of the tablet screen glass, camera, back and the sides of the iPad mini 6. While there is no cover here, the clear case wraps around the entire frame of the iPad mini 6 and has specially raised edges to protect the device against drops. The IVSOTEK clear case is made for iPad mini 6 users who want bare minimum interference with their device. While this clear case might protect your device from a bump or two, be aware that the entire front is left exposed. However, the flip side is that your iPad mini 6 will remain lightweight and unobtrusive while you work and play. And next, with the best affordable leather case, the ZTOTOP leather folio for iPad mini 6. If you prefer a case with lots of glass, check out this faux leather folio. The cover has a beautiful brown synthetic leather design, a soft anti-slip interior and a hardened back for extra protection, all while being one of the most affordable cases on our list. This reasonably priced faux leather folio doubles as a two-angled stand, so you can always find a comfortable position to watch your favorite content or take a video call. Plus, it has a holder for your Apple Pencil, so you can easily take your best accessory with you. Like other folios, the ZTOTOP case attaches to the iPad with built-in magnets and can be flipped down to turn into a stand when you want to prop the tablet up. However, it offers a bit more protection than Apple's own folio and includes a side pocket if you're the type of users who like to store with physical letters, bills and other documents on the go. And with a built-in Apple Pencil holder to store your stylus, a back elastic band for balance when you are using your iPad standing up, a magnetic smart cover with sleep-wake function that doubles up as a multi-angle stand fit for doing all kinds of work. Add on top of that a large front pocket to store your documents. This case makes sure to offer the most value for money while still having top-notch protection and aesthetics. And if you're looking for a heavy-duty protection, then you won't find better than the SPIGEN rugged armor case. Encompassing rugged armor style, the iPad mini 6 case is bolstered with extreme durability and protection. However, the company also recognizes fashion and has stylized the case to fit an attractive profile. So if protection is the most important thing to you, SPIGEN Stuff Armor is a great choice. While it will tack on some weight to the device, the case compensates for that by having a lightweight frame and still bringing shock absorption technology to your iPad mini 6. And you can even go and attach your Apple Pencil magnetically if you so wish. It uses air cushions and a durable thermoplastic polyurethane design to help keep the iPad mini from cracking, from falls or suffering similar damage. There are also excellent carbon fiber style grips on either side to discourage slipping. And this SPIGEN iPad mini 6 case is another model that makes room for the Apple Pencil 2 attachments. Also, because the case is thin enough, it doesn't add too much bulk, and the Apple Pencil can still connect to your iPad mini 6 via the magnets. A definite buy for those who want to keep their iPad mini 6 safe while remaining stylish. This SPIGEN rugged armor case is a safe recommendation, especially at around $20. And next up, the ESR magnetic case, the best grippy magnetic design. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative to Apple's Smart Folio case, look no further than this cover from ESR, which is made of similar materials, has a similar magnetic attachment and folds back to offer an on-demand stand in a similar way. This slim, lightweight, affordable case covers the front and back, has sleep-wake functionality and doubles as a stand. It grips your iPad mini 6 with strong magnets to ensure it doesn't go anywhere, and the Apple Pencil can still attach the iPad to charge with no problems. However, the ESR iPad mini 6 case does have some differences in addition to the lower price. Notably, there is a small magnetic clasp that you can use to fold over and attach Apple Pencil to, so you can always know where it is when not in use. And if you're a fan of sketching with the Pencil 2 or plan on using it regularly, this is certainly a cover to consider. It also has a small carrying grip that can can make holding the Mini 6 a little easier. Simple, slick and slim, it doubles as a 2-position stand for better viewing, writing and watching modes. It's also exceptionally easy to remove the cover when you don't need it, and there are even 4 colors to choose from, including black and green. And at $19, it's a no-brainer. And the best iPad Mini 6 2021 case is the MOKO iPad Mini 6 stand with cover. The MOKO case fit is incredibly lightweight, slim and stunning, and what makes it exceptional is its scratch-resistant surface with anti-fingerprint feature. What is even more impressive is the $10 price tag. The value offering here is just unmatched. Moreover, with the durable PU exterior leather, MOKO case built-in magnetic strip supports auto turn on and off, thereby extending battery life, and its high-quality TPU back shell protects your precious device from drops, shocks, and scratches. It comes with 2 convenient angles and stand position for better viewing and watching experience. It is even compatible with the Apple Pencil, and the slim right side lets you stick the stylus, allowing you for charging and pairing. You can even choose from 2 lively colors, light green and sky blue, and MOKO announced more colors in the way, with all the features like the auto turn on and off, the adjustable watching positions, the heavy-duty protection, the anti-fingerprint and scratches surface, and topping it all off with the $10 price tag. It is just a bargain.